Today is finally the day, and I'm excited to show you the all-new 2026 Mercedes CLA. In this video, we'll take a first look at its design, new features, and everything you need to know about this model. Mercedes has introduced both a fully electric version and a hybrid version, and the one we have here is the all-electric CLA 250 Plus. This model offers an impressive WLTP range of 792 kilometers, which means you can expect close to 700 kilometers in real-world conditions. That's a huge step forward in terms of efficiency. It also has ultra-fast charging, allowing you to gain up to 300 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes with a supercharger that supports up to 320 kilowatts. Starting with the exterior, the new CLA has a futuristic design. The fully electric version features a sleek front with an illuminated Mercedes star panel, which immediately sets it apart from the hybrid version, which has a traditional grille with an illuminated border. At night, the Mercedes star on the front lights up, and in some markets, even the ring around the badge will be illuminated. The headlights have been completely redesigned with a star-shaped LED signature, and the front styling looks bold and modern. The car has also grown in size compared to its predecessor, with a longer wheelbase and a slightly higher roofline. This makes it more spacious inside, especially for rear passengers. The side profile maintains the coupe-like styling that the CLA is known for, with smooth lines and a sporty stance. The model we have here is finished in matte black and features AMG Line 19-inch wheels in full matte black, which looks stunning but might be a bit tricky to clean. Moving to the rear, the taillights have been redesigned with a stylish animation and a more detailed look. The trunk space is impressive, and the rear seats can be folded down for even more storage, making it practical for daily use. One big change is that Mercedes has finally added a front trunk, or frunk, to the electric CLA, which provides around 100 liters of additional space. This is a great improvement and makes the car even more practical. Inside, the CLA has received a major update. The dashboard features a full-width screen setup that runs from one pillar to the other, offering a high-tech and immersive experience. The latest MBUX system powers the infotainment, making it more responsive and user-friendly. The steering wheel remains similar to the previous generation, but has been updated with new controls. One of the most impressive features is the ambient lighting, which runs across the entire dashboard and door panels, creating a premium feel. The seats have also been improved with better materials and a more refined design. Another highlight is the massive panoramic roof, which allows plenty of natural light inside, making the cabin feel even more spacious. However, since there are no extra lights in the back, it might feel a little dark at night. The center console has been redesigned with wireless charging, 2 cup holders, and a sleek new control unit. The car also comes with a premium Burmester sound system, enhancing the luxury experience. The key has been updated as well, now smaller than before. It doesn't feel as premium as the previous version, but maybe that's just how it looks in my hand. Performance-wise, the electric CLA comes in 2 versions, the CLA 250 Plus and the CLA 350. The 250 Plus focuses on efficiency, offering the highest range, while the 350 is the more powerful option. The hybrid model, which you might have seen in the background, combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor, providing a balance of performance and fuel economy. Mercedes has designed this new CLA to be one of the most efficient cars in its class, with impressive aerodynamics and market-leading charging capabilities. Overall, the 2026 CLA is a big step forward for Mercedes. It has a futuristic design, more advanced technology, and greater efficiency. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about the illuminated stars on the front? Do you like the look, or do you think it's too much? Also, how much do you think this model will cost? Let me know in the comments.